Yeah, hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, Manas.
Good morning.
Good month.
Yeah, very good morning. So guys, let's wait for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, others can also join. Then we will start the session. Okay, guys, so let's start with the session. So, guys, in last class, we have discussed about what exactly test scenario, what is test cases, right? So, can anyone tell me what do you mean by test scenario? What do you understand by the term test scenario? Yes. Anyone from boys?
Test scenario suggests that what needs to be tested, and test case suggests that how needs to be tested.
Correct. So, test scenario tell us what exactly we need to test. It is nothing, guys. If in simple word, I can say it's test possibility or test condition. What are the possible way you can check that functionality? What are the possible condition you can check that particular scenario, right? So in last class, we have discussed how we can write the test scenario on pen. And just let me share my screen. Yeah, guys, please let me know once my screen is visible. Yeah, so you all are able to see my screen? Yes or
Yes.
no? Okay. So guys, in last class, we have discussed how we can write the test scenario on pen. What are the possible way you can write the test scenario on pen? Correct. And we have write around 15 scenario. I can see here around 15 scenario on pen. Okay. So in today's class, guys, I will give you trick so that in interview, if someone will ask, can you write the test scenario on pen, chair, table, air condition, refrigerator? So minimum you can able to write 10 to 12 scenario. That trick I am giving you. Okay. So can we discuss? All good, guys? I can see we have a good count as well. I think we are good to start. Okay, guys. So let's see what are the possible way, what are the different, just 1 second. Yeah. How we can write if someone will ask, can you write down the test scenario on chair, table, pen, anything, guys. So what I will do, I will take the example of ceiling fan. Okay. So this is also one of the interview question I have faced. Can you write the test scenario on ceiling fan? Okay. Suppose we need to write a test scenario on ceiling fan, guys. So what are the possible scenario we can write? So what we will do, guys, in last class already we have discussed the test scenario on pen. So we will find out what are the common scenario we have. Okay, that will work for anything. Like if someone will give refrigerator, air condition, washing machine, anything, guys. Okay, so let's go one by one. So first scenario is verify the material of the pen. So this is common or not? Yes. Tell me, guys. Verify the material. Material is common or not?
Yes,
Yes,
it is
common.
common.
Yeah, it's common. Material of the fan, material of the air condition, material of the refrigerator, washing machine. So it's a common, guys. Even they will give ceiling fan, table fan, whatever, guys. It is common. Second one, guys. Verify the color. Color is common or not?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a common. Color of the fan, color of the air condition, color of the washing machine, color of the refrigerator. Yes, it's a common. Even if someone will ask mobile charger, anything, guys. So it's common. So verify the color of the pen. Color of the pen. So guys, my voice is audible. I can see someone is pinging me in the chat. Unable to hear you. You all are able to hear me. All clear so far?
Yes, clear.
Okay, perfect. So third one, guys, verify the quality. Quality is common or not? Yes, tell me.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, common.
yeah. Quality also we can write. Quality of the fan, quality of the air condition, quality of the refrigerator. Yes, it's common. Verify the tip of the pen, whether it is ball pen or gel pen. No. So it's a common or not, guys?
No.
No, it's not common. After that, next one, verify the condition. Condition is common, right?
Yes.
Condition of the fan, condition of the refrigerator, condition of the air condition, cooler. Okay, pen. Okay, so condition is also common. Verify the condition of the pen. After that, the fifth one, guys, we have verify the refill. Refill is common? No, right? After refill, guys, verify the weight. Weight is common for all or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, guys. Weight is also common. Weight of the fan, weight of the air condition, weight of the refrigerator, weight of the washing machine. So this is also common scenario, guys. So after this one, the next one, sixth one, verify the refill of the pen. No. Weight of size. Size is common.
Yes.
Yes, it is also common, guys. Right. Verify the size of the pen, size of the air condition, size of the washing machine. So this is common scenario. The seventh one we have after size brand. Brand is also common, right?
Yes.
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 Okay. After brand, the next one we have verify the smoothness. Smoothness is common or not, guys?
Yes, surface.
I
Yes,
don't
yes.
think so. It is common for all, guys. Okay. For suppose if it is mobile charger or someone will tell laptop. Okay. So let's not consider it in the common scenario. Okay. Verify the shape and size. Yeah, shape and size is also common. Shape and size of the refrigerator, washing machine. Okay. If it is any scenario, this is also common. Verify the shape. Instead of shape and size, we can write a design as well. Okay. Let me write. After that, guys, the next one, durability. Verify the durability of the fan, durability of the air condition, durability of the what? I can say air condition, cooler, washing machine, refrigerator. This is also common, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is also the common one. Durability of the fan. Now the 10th one is, guys, verify the price. Price is also common scenario, right? Price of the air condition, price of the refrigerator. So this is also one common scenario we can tell. Right. Then I have mentioned verify the cap. No. So guys, you can see here, but here I have mentioned 10 scenario, guys. Verify the material, color, quality, condition, weight, size, brand, shape and design, durability, price. Any other common scenario, guys, which you can think we can add?
So verify the speed of fan.
Speed of the fan, yes, but speed of the air condition, speed of the washing machine. We can't write speed of the
Packaging.
speed of the charger. Suppose someone will give pencil, or if someone gave like pen, so we can't write a speed right there. So I am just
What I was thinking, the every fan has 5 level speed,
yeah
so we
for
can
fan, but
also
no
verify.
yeah, you are I am agree with your point, you are correct. So fan is correct for particular, but I am just asking common scenario. So someone will give anything, if they will
Okay,
give chair, table, anything in an interview, so the so that we can add. So these are
okay,
the 10 scenarios, like in such a way you can write for anything. If someone will give table, so verify the material of the table, verify the color of the table, quality of the table, condition of the table, weight of the table, size of the table, brand, shape and design, durability, price. So this is common, right? All the scenario. Any other common scenario, guys, which you can think?
Packaging.
Packaging. Yes, that is common. I can say packaging of the charger, but packaging of the pen don't sounds good, guys. Okay, because we in the generally when we buy the pen, we don't have packaging and all. In all these scenario, like we have the use and throw pen as well, right? Any other common scenario?
What about the manufacturer? Manufacturer.
Yeah, we can write verify the manufacturer. Yes, correct. That is also one common scenario. So like, okay, guys. So you can think here. Okay, you can add 10 to 12, up to 12 common scenario. I think I have somewhere I have written. Yeah, quality, color, size, brand, durability, weight, price, material, color, design. Okay, guys. I think we have covered all the common scenario. So now we can tell the particular scenario for the fan. So if it is fan, guys, what are the scenario we can write? We can write now, verify the speed of the fan, right? Verify the required voltage. Then what else? For fan, guys. Verify the blade. We have overall 3 blade or 4 blade sometime, right? What else? What are the scenario you can write? Verify the on and off condition, right? On and off switch functionality. Yeah, any other scenario, guys? Anyone? Yes, Ayan, Anusha, Dinesh, Deepshika.
Expiry,
Working condition.
good, but expiry could be like maybe
Expiry for pen, generally expiry we will consider for the food product and all.
We can
Expiry,
write the guarantee.
yeah, guarantee and warranty, correct. Good one. Verify the guarantee and warranty, right? So like that, guys. So the main point is, guys, now from now onwards, if anyone will ask in interview, can you write down the test scenario on pen, chair, table, air condition, refrigerator, anything, guys. So you can first tell 10 scenario. Okay, you can just remember this keyword: material, color, quality, verify the condition, brand, price, durability. So if you remember out of this 10 points, suppose if you have remember at least 5 points as well, after that you can jump into that particular topic. Suppose if they will ask air condition, so we can tell minimum is minimum temperature, maximum temperature, right? What are the different mode we have, like cooling mode, heating mode, Then what else, guys? In air condition, verify whether it is room AC or split AC. If they will ask for the refrigerator, cooling capacity, whether it is single
Number
door,
of
double
doors.
door,
Yeah.
number of doors. Yes. So we have minimum 10 scenario here, guys, that you can remember. And apart from that, if they will ask anything, guys, or if they will ask mobile charger, like C-type charger, what verify the length of the charger. So you can add after that. So within 30 seconds, you can easily tell minimum 5 to 10 scenario now. Correct? Yes or no? Whether they will
Yes.
give any whether they will
Yeah.
any example, guys, or they will ask any question. In one of the interview I have faced, can you please write down the test scenario on traffic signal? So here also there are lots of point which is matching, guys. Okay. So this is something, guys, a real-time example. If they will take any real-time things and all, like pen, paper, pencil. Now, if I will go with our app software example, guys, and software, how we can write the test scenario and test cases. So let me go with any application and we will see. Okay. So I'm taking Facebook application. And I will give you scenario, guys. Yeah, this is my Facebook application. So we all are following agile model. Okay. And in agile, we are not developing all the functionality at a time. Okay. We have the small user story that we need to develop. Okay. So here you can see, guys, as per the current requirement, we have only developed the Facebook logo and this one, guys, this message. Now we need to develop the email address and password text box. In this sprint, we have the requirement for development of email address and password text box. Then next sprint, guys, we are going to develop the login button. So guys, you need to write, because Facebook is user-friendly application. We all are using Facebook, right? So you need to write all the possible tests on email address and password text box. So can you please write down in your notepad, then share it, write down the possible scenario for the email address and password text box, guys. As of now, login button is not available, guys. It is yet to develop. We are developing email address and password text box. So can you please write down the test scenario? For email address and password text box. Okay. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. You can write it down and you can send me in the chatter. Yeah. So Ravi Teja, what you can do, you can write all the point at a time, okay, and send it to me, guys. And send it to only me, guys. Here we have the option in to field, you can add my name only. Okay. So I'm giving you 2 minutes, guys. Okay, so I got a solution from Ravi Teja, Sardar, Kisan. Yeah, what about others? Can you please write down? Okay, Niharika, perfect. Yeah, what about others, guys? Can you please share? Okay, guys. So what I can see in some of the scenario, I can see people are writing verify with valid user email address, verify with valid password, with invalid email address, invalid password. Okay. So this kind of scenario they are writing. And someone is writing, guys, I can see in some of the scenario, like let me share my screen. Okay. Verify the logo. So guys, currently we don't need to verify the logo because the requirement is only for the email address and password text box, not for the logo and not for the entire page. Okay. So whatever the requirement we have that we need to write. Someone is right, check with valid user address, invalid password. So guys, how you can verify whether it is valid user address or invalid password? Because till now the login button is not at all developed, guys. Once the login button is developed, then only we can write. Correct? So the requirement is only for the email address and password text box. Okay. So yes, guys. So let's discuss what are the possible scenario we can write for the login at email address text box and password text box. Okay. So let me write here. Okay. So we are discussing test scenario on email address and password text box. So yes, guys, we will discuss one by one all the scenario. So the first one, guys, that we can write, what we can write first here, we can write whether it is available or not, whether it is displaying or not, right? So whenever we are writing test scenario and test cases, make sure it should be simple, it should be generic ones that easily anyone can easily understand, or it can be sounds good. So we can write verify the availability of email address and password text box. First one we will check. Verify the availability of email address and password text box. So whether the email address and password text box is available or not. This is the first scenario. First, we will check whether it is displaying or not. What will be the second scenario, guys? We will check whether it is enabled or not. Verify the email address and password text box is enabled or not. Because sometimes the text box buttons are displaying, but it is not at all clickable. It is not at all enabled. So we need to check whether it is enabled or not. Correct? Verify the email address and password text box are enabled or not. So this is my second scenario. What will be the third scenario, guys?
The labeling is correct. The label of the text box, maybe, or the placeholder
This one,
text.
right? Yes, so we
Yeah, the
can tell it is, yes, guys, that is a good scenario, placeholder text, or we can say watermark
placeholder
text,
text.
guys. Whether
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
whether it is displaying correct or not, that is actually good scenario. So you can see, guys, by default here it is mentioned in the watermark, email address and phone number, and here it is mentioned password. So whether it is displaying correct or not. So we can write verify the placeholder. In technical word, we will call it as a placeholder, or you can write in a
Yeah.
simple watermark text. Okay, we will write verify placeholder of placeholder text. Verify the placeholder in email address and password text box. Yeah, what will be the fourth one?
Verify
What will be
acceptable characters.
what?
Verify acceptable characters.
Yeah, verify the acceptable characters. Okay, acceptable characters or not. Just 1 second, guys. Give me 1 minute. Okay, guys. What will be the next scenario?
The sequence of the fields first
Yeah,
should be
sequence.
email address and
Yeah, so we can write verify the position of email address and password text box. Verify the position of email address and password text box. Yes, correct, guys. What will be the next scenario?
Uh, can we
Validation.
write about the watermark on the text box?
Yeah, that we have already mentioned the placeholder. Verify the
Oh,
placeholder.
sorry.
Validation.
Validation means which kind of validation, guys?
It should be like required fields like
Uh, what required from?
Suppose if we enter incorrect email ID, like the
Hmm.
format doesn't match.
So that will be, you will get to know once you will click on the login button. You can see currently whatever you can write, guys. Once the login button is like we can enable, then it is mentioned validation message, right? But currently login button is not at all in our scenario, right? So
Yeah.
what else?
Maximum length of input.
What?
Maximum length of the input characters.
Yes, what are the maximum length of character we can enter in email address and password text box? Okay, verify the maximum length. Okay, verify the maximum length of character. Okay, verify the email address and password text maximum length of character should be accepted by email address and password text box. Okay. Then what else?
Password field should be in mask format.
Yes, password should be displayed in encrypted format. You can see, guys. It should, we are not able to see the password, right? It should be displayed in encrypted format. Verify the password should be displayed in encrypted format or not. Yeah, very important scenario, guys. Verify Just 1 second, guys. Verify the password should Hmm. Okay, what will be the next, guys?
Verify the size of text box is as per the requirement or not.
Yes, verify the size of the text box, or we can say verify the UI and UI alignment of a text box. So UI element will include all the size and what else, the label and everything. Okay, verify the UI of email address and text box. Okay. Verify the size, alignment, UI alignment, size of email address. Yeah. What next, guys? What else? Guys, we can write for this eye icon. You can see how exactly it is working. Verify the eye icon on the password text box, right? Then what else? That's all.
When we click on the password or email, right, it will get
Hmm.
highlighted.
Yes,
So
correct. Good scenario, guys.
Active
You can
field.
see currently
User can see the active field.
currently I'm in yes, currently yes, active field. Currently I'm in the email address text box, so it is highlighting in the blue color. Now I'm selecting the password text box. Now it is highlighting. So verify when user is clicking on the email address and password text box, whether it is highlighting or not. This is also one scenario. Okay, clear, guys? So these are the
Yeah.
possible scenarios. These are the possible scenario that we are writing for email address and password text box. So based on the requirement, we will write, guys. It is not like I have not given the login button, and there are few people those who are writing like verify the valid with valid email address, valid password, invalid email address, invalid password, like that. No, that will not work, guys. We need to write the scenario test cases uh based on the uh what I can say. We need to write based on the requirement. Okay. So that is all about test scenario. And again, guys, we have the complete manual testing project in which we will discuss in detail, guys, about the test scenario. Okay, so for now, just I want to clear because we are discussing the STLC process, guys, software testing lifecycle process, in which we have faced this three terminology: the test scenario, test case designing, and test data preparation. So that's why I have covered what exactly test scenario. Now let's see what is test cases. What do you mean by test cases? Okay. So guys, test scenario will tell us what exactly we need to test. Okay, it will tell us what we need to test. Now, what is test cases? So test cases will tell us how we can test, guys. Okay, suppose we have this scenario. So how you can test? I have the scenario, verify the password should display in encrypted format or not. And to check this scenario, we need to follow some step. What are the steps we need to follow? First of all, we need to log in the Facebook application. Then we need to enter the user ID. Then we need to enter the password. Then only we can check whether it is displaying the in encrypted format or not. Suppose if I want to check the eye icon, so first I need to log in the Facebook page. Then I need to enter the password. Then I can see this eye icon or not. Okay. So test cases will tell us how you can test, how you can check that particular scenario. That is nothing but test cases will tell us. Okay. So test cases tell us how you can check that particular scenario. Whereas test scenario will tell what exactly we need to test. So now if I will come to the test case part, so what exactly test case, guys? Let me come with the definition. So it is a document that contains a step that have to be executed. So if you want to verify any particular scenario, what are the particular steps that you need to write? That is nothing but my test cases. A test cases is a set of action that we are verifying that we are writing to verify a particular scenario for a particular functionality. So if you want to verify particular scenario, particular functionality, what are the steps we need to check? That is nothing but my test cases, guys. Okay, so test cases means how we can test, whereas test scenario is what exactly we need to test. So you can see, guys, here I have mentioned this picture. So by this picture you can clear. Suppose if you, this is my Ola cab application, we need to check this about us link, which is displaying in at the end. Let me go in the application as well. You can see this is my link, about us link. And we need to check. Yeah, this is my Ola cab application. And in the footer, this is my footer. Footer means, guys, the last part. Okay, we have this about us link. Okay, so this functionality is developed. So I have written a test scenario for this functionality. What is the test scenario I have written, guys? I have written this scenario, guys. Verify about us link should be displayed in footer and user are able to or not. So how you check this scenario? So what is the test cases we have? First of all, we need to launch the application. This is the standard format, guys, we have. Test cases, guys, we need to launch the application. Then what is the expected result? You can able to launch the application. User should be able to launch the application. Second step, guys, go to the footer of the application. We need to go to the footer of the application. So once we will go in the footer of the application, we can able to see user should be able to go to the footer of the application, and about us link should be as per the mockup, should be displayed as per the mockup. The last one, guys, click on the about us link. So user should be able to click on the link. So guys, if you want to check whether it is clickable or not, these are the steps we need to follow. And these steps are nothing but the test cases. These are nothing but the test cases. So test cases will tell us how we can test. Okay, how we are writing these test cases, what exactly is expected result and all the things we will see, guys. Okay, we will discuss on 2 or 3 classes. I will give you real-time requirement, real-time data and all in which you need to use and you need to prepare. Okay, so test cases will tell us how you can test the application, how you can test that particular scenario, whereas test scenario will tell us what we need to test. Okay, so are you getting my point, guys? What exactly test scenario? What is test cases? So test scenario, what we need to test. Test cases, how you can test. Is it clear? All good? Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yes.
Okay. So how we are writing this test cases and all, don't worry, guys. We will discuss in detail. Okay, during the part. So we are clear with this two terminology, what is test scenario and what is test case. Terminology, guys, test script. So what do you mean by test script? Anyone? What is test script, guys?
The scripted form of
What
test
exactly
script
you
are-
understand by the term?
the scripted
Yes,
form of
guys. So it's
test
nothing
script-
but our program. Yeah, so test script is nothing but our automation script, guys. It's nothing but our automation script, guys. Okay, so which we are writing in any programming language. So it is written in any programming language. So test script is a set of instruction to test the application automation automatically. That is nothing but our automation script. So the example of test script is nothing but our automation script. Okay. So test script is something which we are writing for the automation. Okay, to test the application automatically. Okay. So you can see one again, guys, one very important interview question which I faced. What is the difference between test cases and test script? So test cases is nothing, guys. It's a step-by-step procedure which we used to follow to test the application for test that functionality, whereas test script is a set of instruction to test the application automatically. Test cases we are using for the manual testing environment, whereas test script we are using for the automation testing environment. Okay, test cases we are writing manually. Test script, it is done according to the scripting format. For test cases, guys, we need to write like test case ID, then what is expected, okay, actual result, Okay. But in case of test script, we need to write some method, some data we need to prepare, variable you need to prepare and all. So this is the difference between test cases and so these all are theoretical guys. Just you can go through this slide, you can easily understand. Now the last part we have after this one, test data. So what is test data, guys? It's nothing but the data or value which we are using to test particular scenario. Suppose if you want to check the Facebook application login functionality, so we will check one with you valid user ID, valid password, and we will check. Okay. So that user ID password is nothing but my test data. It's nothing but the data or value which we are using to perform the testing in an application. Okay, so test data is a data or value which we are using to perform the testing in application. So that is all about test data, test cases, test script, and test scenario. Is it clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is all about, guys, how what exactly test scenario, test cases, test script, and test data, guys. Okay. So I'm sharing this PPT, guys. So for now, in today's class, we have up to discuss till now only. Okay. So in upcoming class, guys, we will go with the next topic. And see, guys, like this week, my schedule is little bit like up and down. Like, guys, I'm traveling to Rajasthan. I said so. That's why, guys, like I will finish up little bit early today. Okay. And so let me share this PPT with all of you. So I have shared in the chatter and also I'm sharing in the mail. Okay. So, and also I took the screenshot for your attendance. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet tomorrow and we will start with the next topic. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. I will give you attendance, guys. I already took the screenshot. Okay. So the PPT is also uploaded in the chatter. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
Nikita,
ma'am.
we will discuss your question in the next class. Okay. So today, actually, I need to go now. So we will discuss in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Surely we will discuss. Just remind me. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. I will
Thank you,
share
ma'am.
in the mail as well, guys.